Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Just imagine this, waking up to a notification, but instead of saying bills overdue, it says you've received a payment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the tea on how you can turn that dream into your daily reality. Welcome to the world of passive income. It's the ultimate financial hack, earning money without trading your precious time for it. Think of it as planting a money tree that keeps on giving. Today, we're diving deep into why passive income is the game changer you've been waiting for. That's right, today I'll take you to how to make passive income. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, I can almost hear your thoughts buzzing through the screen. Passive income? Come on, that's just a fancy term for stuff rich people do, right? Well, hold on to your wallet because we're about to shatter some illusions faster than a dropped piggy bank. You see, passive income isn't some exclusive club where you need a golden ticket or a fat bank account to get in. Nope. It's more like an all-you-can-eat buffet, and everyone's invited. But here's the kicker. Most people are still stuck outside, noses pressed against the glass, believing a bunch of myths that are about as real as money growing on trees. People think you need to be Scrooge McDuck rich to start, or that you need some kind of tech wizard who can code in their sleep. Others believe it's a get-rich-quick scheme that will have you sipping margaritas on a private island by next Tuesday. And then there are those who think it's either too good to be true, or that once you set it up, you can just forget about it and watch the money roll in. But why do these myths stick around like gum on a shoe? It's simple. We all love the idea of a magic formula, a secret shortcut to wealth. But here's the real deal. Passive income is totally doable, but it's not a magic wand. So are you ready to separate fact from fiction and kickstart your passive income journey? Let's dive right in. Our first stop for today is Affiliate Marketing Alley. Picture this. You're the ultimate matchmaker. But instead of setting up your friends, you're connecting people with products they love. And every time you make a love connection, cha-ching, you get a commission. It's like being Cupid, if Cupid wore a business suit and got paid in cold hard cash. Here's how it works. You recommend products through your blog, YouTube channel, or even your killer Instagram feed. Someone clicks your special link, buys the product, and you get a slice of that pie. It's like a finder's fee for being a helpful human. Also, here's a fun fact. In 2022, affiliate marketing spending in the US hit $8.2 billion. That's a lot of love connections. Next up, we have Course Creation Cove. Remember that teacher who made even the most boring subjects fun? Well, that could be you. But instead of dealing with spitballs and detention, you're reaching eager learners worldwide and making money while you sleep. Here's how it works. Take that skill you've got, come on, we have at least one, and turn that into an online course. Whether it's underwater basket weaving or how to talk to your cat about financial independence, there's an audience out there waiting for you. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it so much easier than trying to teach your grandma how to use a smartphone. And did you know the e-learning market is expected to reach $325 billion by 2025? Looks like learning is in fact earning. And now let's move on to the stock market safari. Welcome to the jungle of dividend investing, where your money can multiply faster than rabbits. It's kind of like planting a money tree, but instead of waiting years for it to grow, you're getting paid quarterly just for owning a piece of the pie. Here's how it works. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends. That's fancy talk for they share their profits with shareholders. And as you accumulate more shares, your dividend payouts grow. It's like having a bunch of tiny employees working for you. Except they never ask for raises or take coffee breaks. And here's an interesting tidbit. The longest running dividend paying company, York Water Company, has been paying dividends for over 200 years. I call that a long term relationship. And let's not forget about the real estate rodeo. No, we're not asking you to go out and buy a mansion, or, well, unless you want to, in which case, could I be your roommate? We're talking about platforms like Airbnb, where you can rent out anything from a spare room to a treehouse. It's like being a hotel mogul, minus the mint on pillow hassle. Here's how it works. If you've got a spare, well, anything, like a room, parking space, garage, and even that weird sculpture your aunt gave you, you can rent it out. People are always looking for unique spaces, and your quote unquote ordinary might be someone else's extraordinary. And here's a fun fact. The average Airbnb host in the US earns about $9,600 per year. I call that a lot of avocado toast. And last but not least, the print on demand plaza. Ever had a witty t-shirt idea and thought, this could make millions? Well, here's your chance to prove your roommate wrong. Print on demand is like having your own fashion line without a need for a Project Runway audition. How does it work? Well, you just create designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Printful, and when someone orders, the platform prints and ships it. You don't need to store inventory or deal with shipping. It's like being a fashion designer, but your runway is the internet, and your models are, well, everyone. And did you know the global custom t-shirt printing market is expected to reach $7.57 billion by 2028? If you're not capitalizing this market, you're clearly missing out. But before you run off to start your passive income empire, remember this. Passive income is like a garden. You need to plant the seeds, which is the initial work, and then you need to water them, that's the ongoing maintenance, and then you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building streams of income that work for you, even when you're busy binge watching your favorite show for the 5th time. The key is to start small and then diversify. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket, unless that basket is made of gold and guarded by dragons. Try out different methods, see what works for you, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, every passive income stream starts with an active decision to begin. So, which of these money-making theme park rides are you going to hop on first? The affiliate marketing roller coaster? The dividend investing merry-go-round? Or maybe you're brave enough to tackle the real estate rodeo? Huh? What's that? You're still not convinced? Well, I think I have the thing just for you. Let's talk about someone who took these passive income strategies and absolutely crushed it. Enter Pat Flynn, the mastermind behind Smart Passive Income. Pat's story is like a real-life version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Except instead of phone-a-friend lifelines, he had passive income streams. Back in 2008, Pat was just a regular guy with a 9-to-5 job in architecture. Then, faster than you can say economic downturn, he found himself laid off. But instead of panicking, Pat turned to the internet and started sharing his knowledge about architecture exam prep. What happened next? His ebook sales exploded like a financial fireworks show. Pat went from $0 to $8,000 in a single month, all while catching Z's. But Pat didn't stop there. He diversified faster than a squirrel hiding nuts for winter. Affiliate marketing, online courses, podcasting, you name it, Pat tried it. And by 2017, he was raking in over $2 million a year in passive income. The best part is that Pat's not some Silicon Valley whiz kid or trust fund baby. He's just a regular dude who figured out how to make the internet work for him. If Pat can do it, why not you? Remember, every passive income success story starts with that very first step. from affiliate marketing and dividend investing to real estate and print on demand. The secret sauce here is to start small, diversify, and then be patient. Passive income isn't just a get rich quick scheme. It's about building sustainable income throughout your lifetime. Your financial freedom journey can start today. Also, if you could create any product or service to generate passive income, what would it be and why? Share your $1,000,000 ideas in the comments below. And who knows, your next big breakthrough might be hiding in the comments. And well, that's basically how to make passive income. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.